In this video, I'll show you how to watch USA Network on Peacock. Step 1. Subscribe to Peacock Premium or Premium Plus. Sign up for a Peacock paid plan to access USA Network live and on-demand content. Free plans do not include USA Network access. Step 2. Log into your Peacock account. Open the Peacock app or go to peacocktv.com and sign in with your email and password. Step 3. Free access USA Network. Navigate to the Live TV or channel section, look for USA Network among the listed channels or search for shows like Suits, WWE Raw or Psych. Step 4. Start streaming. Select the USA Network channel for live viewing or choose on-demand episodes from USA Network programming. Enjoy next day access to currently airing shows. Step 5. Supported devices. Access USA Network on Peacock via smart TVs, streaming devices, mobile apps, tablets, and web browsers. Ensure your device is compatible and your app is updated for the best experience. Now I have some tips for streaming USA Network on Peacock. Use search to quickly find classic USA Network series and live events. Enable subtitles or closed captions in the playback settings and keep your device and app up to date for new features. And that's how you watch USA Network on Peacock. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments.